न्याय की परिभाषा हो गई, प्रमाणैरर्थ परीक्षणम न्याय। प्रश्न उठता है, ये परीक्षा की जरूरत क्यों? वाई डू वी नीड दिस न्याय? द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तत्र न अनुपलब्धे अर्थे न निर्णीते अर्थे न्यायः प्रवर्तते। There is no scope for nyaya if something is not available. Na anupalabdhe, na anupalabdhe. If something is not available, can we argue about it? No. It's stupidity to argue about something which is not there. Na nirnite arthe. Suppose something has already been established, has been decided, then also there is no scope for nyaya. Because what is nyaya? Nyaya is the investigation of an object with the help of pramana. So when do we require this? We require this when there is some doubt. Then he says, Kim tarhi? Then what? Sanshayite arthe. There is scope for nyaya only when there is doubt pertaining to some object. So doubt is the origin of nyaya. Nyaya happens, nyaya is required only when there is doubt. And I gave you an example of doubt from the Rig Veda itself. योस्याध्यक्षः परमे व्योमन सो अंग वेद यदि वा न वेद यदि वा न वेद। हमने बीच में वा लगाया, वा माने अथवा, जिसे इंग्लिश में कहते हैं ओ आर और। सो आइदर दिस और दैट। When we are not able to decide, when there is an oscillation between the two, that is sanshaya, that is doubt. When there is doubt, then we require to examine all the viewpoints with the help of evidences. That is known as Nyaya. This is what Nyaya is, this is what Anvikshki is, and this is what Tarka Shastra is. There is a doubt, and we have many options, 2 or more options, and we go and examine each of the options, reach at a conclusion. The Nyayasutra says, Vimrikshya Paksha Pratibhakshabhyam. Paksha is one alternative. Pratipaksha is the opposing of alternative. Vadi and Prativadi. There is a proponent and there is an opponent. In the court also what happens? There are 2 persons, they are arguing on certain issue about which both of them have a different opinion. Then they go to the court, and what does the court do? Court examines both their viewpoints, their arguments, and then gives a conclusion. So Vimarsha is Sanshaya. Paksha Pratipakshau Nyaya Pravritti. This is the methodology of Nyaya, that it considers both Paksha and Pratipaksha. Arthavadharanam. Avadharana is conclusion, determination of a point, Nirnaya. This is what Nirnaya is, and that is Tattvagyan.